How do you distinguish between an accomplice and a joint principal offender in a fraud case? A joint principal offender is someone who, from the start to the finish of the crime, shares a common criminal intent and plays a functional role in carrying out the act together. An accomplice, on the other hand, doesn't directly participate in the execution, but assists or instigates the crime. The distinction depends on whether they planned the crime together beforehand, cooperated during its execution, and who played a leading role. Simply knowing about the crime or providing minor help nearby doesn't automatically make someone a joint principal. When we look at these cases, we don't just take the surface-level story. It's like going to a hospital. You can't just stand at the door, list your symptoms, and expect a proper diagnosis. For legal issues, we need to sit down and meticulously examine the facts, timelines, evidence, and procedures to figure out what went wrong and where to start. We classify the case, determine if we can truly help, and then set priorities. For instance, in a criminal case like fraud, our responsibility starts from the very first police investigation and goes all the way through trial. The key is to build a defense based on how much your actions actually contributed to the crime. Our fee structure is based on the case itself, not a success fee, so we can focus entirely on your defense, whether it's a theft, sex crime, or insurance fraud case. We prepare every case as if we're going to court tomorrow. This thorough approach, built on experience since 2009 and refined since opening our practice in 2014, ensures we're always ready. In civil matters, it's not just about winning a lawsuit. For debt collection or damages, we design the case from the beginning with actual recovery in mind, considering asset investigation and enforcement from day one. With real estate disputes, having a certified realtor license allows us to examine the contract structure and property rights together, giving us a practical edge. For family law issues like divorce or child custody, we focus on creating long-term solutions that prevent future conflicts, rather than just reacting emotionally. And for clients facing interconnected immigration and legal issues, we handle the criminal, civil, and administrative aspects as a single unified case, with the same attorney managing everything from consultation to enforcement. This comprehensive and realistic approach to handling cases is what defines our work. Finding a firm that applies these principles across criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law is crucial. That's the standard we uphold at Law Office Ashin. For a consultation, please refer to the description box of this video. Subscribing and liking helps us create more detailed legal content.